It's summertime, July. I was going to continue with the decoration of each room after we got the carpeting on the second floor. And then I thought, how about showing our garden and how well it grows? I'm going to take you around, show you how we did the landscaping in the front of the house. I change it every year. This year it's minimal, not as much as usual, but I think it's nice. So let's go take a look. My husband decided to put this woodwork all around the front to enclose the flower bed that's going to be in front. Are the plants that are already in there that come up every year. These are my perennials. It's the begonia flowers, which are the big ones right here. Then we had something that popped up out of the ground, which is those little tiny flowers. I think they're right there where he's almost stepping on them by the light. I think that they are buttons, but bachelor buttons or something like that. That's what it looked like so far. He was almost done.
Look it down the line, see. Well, that's close enough. It ain't perfect, but
looks nice. My friend gave me some hastas, and we put them all into this box because she was getting rid of them. Quick reminder here, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Shoot me a like, that'd be awesome. And throw me a comment on how your garden grows. Quick rundown of what happened. All the changes that I made just in the front in just that little bit of time. I purchased this iron pole that has two things that you can hang plants on. Turns out it's very difficult to hang plants on that. And I think you could see it in some of the video where it's just sitting there bare because we have to do something with it. Push it in a little further, maybe even cement it in. I don't know yet. Or find something very light that I can hang on it. So for now, that's just freestanding, hanging out. But the plants that I had purchased to hang on that, I wound up hanging on my porch. You can see them in some of the video. However, our lovely little robins started coming around and making nests in them. And I had little like rosebuds all over my front porch. So I took them down, ripped out all the nests that were in there, and I put them in between the hastas and the begonias on the bottom, which you saw again. Since then, I have now moved them to the back because they were getting too much sun, and I was literally throwing ice cubes in them, watering them like 3 times a day. They were just wilting. So they were getting too much sun. I took them out of there and I moved them over to the back of the house. And now they're doing great. They're thriving. I will show you them when I show you the rest of the garden and the wildflowers in our next video. So stay tuned.